Hello everyone, this is Muhammad from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will practice together the last exercise to close if condition and if statement, which is the temperature converter. We will learn together how can we design a script that used to convert between two of the temperature scalar or converter. We have Celsius and we have Fahrenheit as measurement, and we want to do a changing or conversion between them. So let's practice this exercise to close the series of exercises I introduced to practice if statement and its variations like if, elif, and if else. So I have two quantities here. I have Fahrenheit and I have Celsius, and these are the formula to for each one to convert or to interchange from this quantity or from this measurement to another measurement. You are not entitled to save this law for the beginner or for these formulas, since you will be given at the time when you will conduct the coding. So let us start as what we did in the previous tutorial to ask about the unit input, and I will ask the user to enter the temperature, enter the temperature like in Celsius. Oh, sorry. In Celsius, like this, yeah, or Fahrenheit, yeah, Fahrenheit. Okay, Fahrenheit. No, EI, Fahrenheit. Okay, and I will do more. Let make it more like flashy here, and yeah, more fancy by like showing to the user if it's Celsius or it's Fahrenheit in terms of letters. Then I will also introduce a new variable, which is the temperature that the user must enter. I have the float, which will be enter, scusami, enter the temperature. Okay, like degree, like this, or measurement, or whatever you want. Now, if unit, which is the one that will identify the measurement, if the unit is Fahrenheit, okay, and will if the unit is Fahrenheit, then the temperature, okay, which the user will enter will be, let's start by round this temperature, okay. So the temperature minus 32, okay, multiplied by 5, divided by 9, and yeah, this will be round into 2. Again, this is the formula, okay? So the temperature minus 32, okay, this, plus 5 over 9, okay? Now I want this to be rounding, so the result here will be long float. I round this, and we learn together how we round the numbers. And I started the code by typing round just to make it more easier. So print of what we will show to the user is the rounded result, the converted temperature Fahrenheit. And Fahrenheit, what is the temperature? Okay, like T temperature, and it will be in Celsius degree. The converted the converted temperature in Fahrenheit become just to know blah blah and Celsius. Now, what if the unit was in Celsius? Okay. Now I enter here the condition like if capital and C capital. In the next tutorial, we will learn more about how can we expose if small also the small letter and capital letter. All of these will be highlighted in the next tutorial where we will highlight the string in Python. Okay, so let's proceed here, and here the temperature. Okay, temperature will be, now we will follow the same. Okay, we will have the rounding number again, and we will open this 9 multiplied by, sorry, temperature. Okay, and now I have it to divided this 5 plus 32. Well, I didn't invent this rule or formula. This is as this is, or it is as it is. You can use any formulas, and you exchange between them by following the same procedure. Okay, and now we did what we did for conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. Okay, then what I will say, I will follow the same procedure here. I want to copy this and just to save some time, and the converted temperature in Celsius. Now we said it is in Celsius, in Fahrenheit. Now we will have to say it is in Celsius, and it become this, but here we have to change to Fahrenheit. Okay, and we have another condition to close if condition. We learned that the last thing I have to use else, and if else if something does not exist, else if then in case of the user enter like invalid unit or not K or F, not C or F, and then as this message will be shown to the user, then we will say that the unit. So, oh, mamma mia. Okay, here is the unit. Okay, is valid. Okay, this is okay. How can we create a program or demo or script to convert? But this is not so fancy. I have to rerun this again. And yeah, I have the column. So I have 33, and oh my gosh, I have to rerun again because I failed in a mistake. Enter the temperature in Celsius. Okay, it's 35. Enter the temperature. خليت us to say here unit. Just I forgot this. Okay, so the first I have to start with the unit. The unit, if it's Fahrenheit, the degree, for example, is like 40. Yeah, it will become 4. So we have 4.4 Celsius and vice versa. Yeah, that's for today's tutorial. And see you next tutorial. Or next 2 tutorials, we will highlight the string in Pythons. Later, then we will go for while loop, function, blah blah. And yeah, please do subscribe to this channel and share this video among your friends. Bye bye.